Phantom.
I'm Elizabeth. And I'm Hey, I didn't see you there. Did you guys know that the Axial Seamount is located off the coast of Washington and Oregon and the Honolulu Ridge?
The Axial volcano is an underwater volcano, so it's a submarine volcano. Its lava type is basaltic and its viscosity of the lava is thick. The rectangular caldera because of the collapse of land following an eruption.
The Axial volcano's lava flows. It's not very explosive and it formed from a hot spot.
It last erupted on April 23, 2015.
Yes, there are other volcanoes like the Axial volcano along the Honolulu Ridge and the Cobb hotspot chain.
An interesting fact about the Axial Seamount is that it is located underwater and is a submarine volcano.
It's also the most active submarine volcano in the northeastern Pacific.